This video offers a comprehensive guide to plumbing basics tailored for Calgary residents. We will cover the fundamental aspects of the plumbing system, providing insights into its functionality and layout. Additionally, we will delve into common issues that often arise in residential plumbing, equipping viewers with essential knowledge to identify and address these challenges. Whether it's understanding how the system works or dealing with common problems, this guide aims to empower Calgary residents with valuable information to effectively manage their plumbing needs. In this segment, we will explore the indispensable components of a typical plumbing system, encompassing an in-depth examination of pipes, fixtures, and valves. By elucidating their functions and significance within the system, viewers will gain a thorough understanding of how these components work together to facilitate the flow and regulation of water within a property. This discussion aims to demystify the intricacies of plumbing infrastructure, providing clarity on the roles and interplay of these fundamental elements in ensuring a functional and efficient plumbing system. This segment will equip viewers with the knowledge to recognize common plumbing issues, including leaks, clogs, and low water pressure. By understanding the symptoms and signs of these prevalent problems, individuals can take proactive measures to mitigate potential damage and inconvenience. Moreover, we will outline the initial steps and techniques for effectively addressing these issues, empowering viewers to take prompt and informed action when confronted with plumbing challenges. The goal is to provide valuable insights that enable homeowners to identify and tackle common plumbing problems with confidence and competence. In this segment, we will present practical maintenance tips designed to uphold the optimal condition of your plumbing system. By incorporating these preventive measures into your routine, you can proactively mitigate potential issues and safeguard the longevity of your plumbing infrastructure. From simple tasks such as regular inspections and drain cleaning to more advanced strategies like addressing minor leaks promptly, these tips aim to empower homeowners with actionable methods to proactively care for their plumbing systems. The objective is to facilitate the preservation of a well-functioning plumbing system, minimizing the likelihood of disruptive and costly issues in the future. As we wrap up, we want to underscore the significance of grasping plumbing basics for Calgary residents. Understanding these fundamentals not only empowers individuals to address minor issues independently, but also facilitates effective communication with professional plumbers when more complex issues arise. Additionally, we are committed to providing valuable resources for further learning and assistance, ensuring that viewers have access to reliable information and support as they navigate their plumbing needs. Our aim is to leave you equipped with the knowledge and resources to confidently manage your plumbing system and make informed decisions regarding its maintenance and care.